Hey, good evening everyone. Today I'm making a really nice recipe. I'm making a chicken rollatini, and I'm going to make it with a nice kind of Marsala sauce with mushrooms. So I have my ingredients out. I have my nice, really thin sliced boneless chicken breast. So actually I'm going to slice this up a little bit more now that I'm looking at it, because some of it is not as thin as I would like, so pound it out a little bit. Then once I pound it out, most of these are pretty thin. Once I pound it out, I'm going to fill it with mozzarella and with some nice deli ham. So I'm going to show you how to do that in a minute. The first step, I'm going to take one of these thin ones, is that I'm going to actually put a little bit of flour on it, right? And then I'm going to take it, and I'm going to put a little bit of ham. I'm going to cut it just with my fingers. Put it right in the center here. There we go. And then I'm going to take one of these pieces of mozzarella that I've already pre-sliced, and I'm just going to roll it. And then I'm going to put it here. This is going to be ready to go. Now I could secure this with a little twine, or I could secure it with a toothpick. I actually don't have any of that right now, so I'm just going to secure it like this and put it really gently down in the pan, and it's going to be just fine. Okay, so now these are all rolled up. They're ready to go. As you can see, a little bit of filling on the inside. What I've got going on here in my pan is I've got a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, just plain old olive oil. It doesn't even have to be extra virgin. And a pat of butter. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to saute these, brown these up in here and cook them up in here. And then when I'm done, I'm going to take them off the heat, and I'm going to add my mushrooms and cook those up. And then my stock and my Marsala wine. And then after that, I'm going to put the meat back on the pan, and we're going to let all those flavors get together, and it'll be ready to serve. It's going to be delicious. I can't wait. Here they are, sizzling away. These will cook at least 10 minutes on one side, and then I'll turn them over. And then I'll turn them over again. I just want to make sure all that chicken really gets cooked up on the inside. Okay, as you can see, they've already cooked up on one side. Now I'm going to make sure that all the different sides of this chicken get cooked up well. So that really cooks through nicely so that no one gets sick. Now what I'm going to do is take it off the heat, put it on a dish. Then I'm going to cook up the mushrooms. And then I'm going to add the chicken back to the pot, so it's going to cook some more with all that lovely juice. So really this chicken will be on the stove for at least half an hour. But when it's done, it's going to be amazing. So as you can see, these are pretty lovely. It's mostly cooked through. It's pretty much, they're all really cooked through. But I'm of course going to put them back on the heat later on. So they're going to cook up some more. Okay, now these, what I did here was I added a little butter to that same pan that had the chicken in it. The olive oil was plenty, so I didn't add any olive oil. But now I'm going to cook up these lovely, lovely mushrooms. They'll take a few minutes, probably around 10 minutes. And then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add some lovely, lovely Marsala wine. and then my chicken stock, and then my chicken back in, and it's going to be really amazing. Okay. So as you can see, these are really nice. Gotten really soft. I'm going to let them cook another minute or two, and then I'm going to add about a quarter of a cup Marsala wine to this and let it reduce. So I've just added about a quarter of a cup of Marsala wine. And now this is going to reduce, and then I'm going to add about a quarter of a cup of chicken stock. And I'm going to put the chicken back in and let it cook up another 10 minutes or so. And by then I'll be pretty confident that's all really cooked through, and it's going to infuse all those really delicious flavors of the sauce, and it's just going to be amazing. So it's been a couple of minutes, and I'm going to add my stock, and I'm going to put the chicken back in. So I've got my stock in, I've got my chicken in, I've got my mushrooms in. It's on a low flame. And then once I've cooked it through for a little bit, I'm going to add a little flour just to thicken this up, and it's going to be lovely. I also added just a touch of heavy cream. So that's in there now. It's all going to just be really nice. Okay, as you can see, this is almost done. It's gotten a lovely golden color because I added some heavy cream. It's really bubbling up nicely. That chicken is all cooked through. And it's pretty much done. Okay, subscribe to my channel, Anna Maria Millet, if you like these recipes. I'm going to be posting more. I also post a lot of fun content about education and kids and outings and vacations and activities. Just all the things I really like and things I like to do and the things that I learn. So subscribe to my channel, Anna Maria Millet, and also subscribe to Aiden Maloney at Aiden Power. Let's go. Aiden Power, let's go. Thank you.